Tired of typing your PIN every time? Let me show you how to set up Face Unlock on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, S26, or S26 Plus so your phone unlocks instantly. To get started, swipe down and open your settings. Scroll down until you find Lock Screen and AOD and tap on it. From there, select Screen Lock and Biometrics. Next, tap on Face Recognition. Now, if you haven't already set up a PIN, password, or pattern, the phone will prompt you to create one now before you can move forward with the facial scan. Once your security code is set, tap on Register. Here's a quick tip for the best results. If you're wearing glasses, make sure to remove them during this initial scan so the S26 can register your features more accurately. Now, simply hold your phone up and place your face inside the circle on the screen. Hold steady while the device completes the scan. Once it says your Face ID has been successfully added, you're good to go. That's it. I'll see you in the next one.